today's episode, we are making a goat's milk turmeric soap. Goat's milk soap is loved in skincare because it's very gentle on the skin. Goat's milk naturally contains vitamins like vitamin A and other nutrients that help keep the skin soft, moisturized, and healthy looking. It is also known to support the skin barrier and make the soap feel very creamy when used. Another important ingredient in this soap is turmeric. Turmeric has been used in skincare for a very long time because of its skin brightening and soothing properties. Many people use this turmeric-based product to help improve dull-looking skin and to support a more even skin complexion. When these two ingredients are combined, they create a soap that is gentle, nourishing, and great for everyday cleansing. To start the process, I cut the goat's milk soap into smaller cubes. This helps in melting faster and even more evenly once it is cut. I melt the base slowly until it becomes completely liquid. After the base melts, I begin adding the other ingredients. These ingredients are added carefully and mixed properly so they blend well with the soap base. At this stage, the measurements are actually very important. The amount of turmeric and the other ingredients used will affect the color, texture, and finally quality of the soap. Using the right balance helps the soap stay smooth and perform well on the skin. Once everything is fully mixed, the soap is poured into molds and left to cool and harden. After it sets completely, the soap can then be removed from the molds and it's ready to be used or packaged. If you would like to get the full formulation details, including the exact measurements, ingredient percentages, and the complete step-by-step production process, you can find it through the link in the description box below. That will guide you and help you in creating this soap properly, whether you are making it for personal use or for skincare business. Thank you for watching this video and we will see you in the next video. Bye.